this moment seems like it will never end. You can't face the day. When did this pain begin?
See what I want so much, shit never hurt this bad. Never did this before, that's what the virgin said. We've been generally warned, that's what the surgeon said. God talk to me now, this is an emergency. And she claims she only with me for the currency. You cut me deep, bitch, cut me like surgery. And I was too proud to admit that it was hurting me. I never do that to you, at least purposely. We breaking up again, we making up again. But we don't love no more, I guess we fucking then. Have you ever felt you ever want to kill her? And you mix them emotions with tequila. Talking about her family, her aunts and shit. And she say, motherfucker, your mama's a bitch, you know. But I'ma be the bigger man, big pimpin' like Jigga Man. Oh, I guess I figured it.
This moment seems like it will never end. You can't face the day. When did this pain begin?
And my niggas said I shouldn't let it worry, man. I need to focus on the girls we getting currently. But I've been thinking and it got me back to sinking it. This relationship, it even got me back to drinking at it. And I always thought that you having my child was our destiny. But I can't even vibe with you sexually. Cause every time that I try, you would question me. Saying you fucking them girls, disrespecting me.